A single force, OpenAI, emerges at the vanguard of the world's rapid transition as machines get ever closer to mirroring human inventiveness. OpenAI is the undisputed leader in the dynamic field of artificial intelligence, igniting a global fascination and pointing humanity toward previously unimaginable possibilities. The groundbreaking generative pre-trained Transformer series, a story of AI genius that has endured numerous incarnations, is at the core of OpenAI's spectacular rise. This cutting-edge behemoth has caught the attention of the entire world, burning a glimmer of curiosity in the eyes of dreamers, technophiles, and visionaries alike. The emphasis shifts to the intriguing figure, GPT-Bot, as excitement for the arrival of GPT-5, the next dramatic episode in this saga, approaches a peak. This virtual sentinel, an entanglement crawler entrusted with creating intricate webs across the virtual terrain, serves as a crucial component in OpenAI's story. Imagine a large digital space that is a labyrinth network of information and ideas that is constantly changing and has unexpected depths. The relentless digital traveler, GPT-Bot, appears as a watchdog in this environment. It embarks on a journey through the unfathomable depths of the internet with an insatiable quest for information. GPT-Bot forges through a sea of textual information with unrivaled determination, much like a prospector scouring a riverbed for gold nuggets. GPT-Bot's search for undiscovered gems uncovers a plethora of textual riches that give life to OpenAI's potent language models, adding levels of complexity and depth to works like GPT-4 and indicating the grandeur to be found in GPT-5. GPT-Bot's path, on the other hand, is not one of chaos, but of harmony, a harmonic interplay of laws and morals that direct every action it takes. As it follows a code of honor, GPT-Bot becomes a defender of data integrity, making sure that the information it unearths is kept secret and only available to those with the proper access codes. This online guardian avoids banned websites, virtual gates guarded by login barriers or paywalls, and proceeds via open avenues. It skillfully avoids pages containing sensitive personal data and moves cautiously to uphold the value of confidentiality. The bot upholds the ethical standards that OpenAI holds dear by sweeping hate speech, violence, and explicit content from its exploration map with its attentive gaze. However, the online space is not a barren wasteland, but rather a rich tapestry of websites, each presenting a distinct viewpoint and voice. Here, website owners assume the role of the journey's architects, planning GPT-Bot's course through the maze of the internet. As these digital conductors add instructions to the robots.txt file, a virtual map that directs GPT-Bot's path, a symphony of collaboration comes to life. As GPT-Bot, like an attentive companion, responds to the cues of these website admins, a digital conversation that is evocative of a carefully choreographed dance unfolds. An online environment that fosters innovation and the maintenance of digital boundaries is created as a result of the convergence of technology and human intention in this partnership. There is a palpable sense of expectancy as the epic drama of GPT comes to a close. The achievements of GPT-4, which will live on in history's annals, have prepared the world for the triumphant entry of GPT-5. OpenAI's unceasing efforts, shrouded in a veil of secrecy, start to emerge, offering a glimpse of what is to come. The trademark application for GPT-5, submitted to the United States Patent and Trademark Office in July 2023, acts as a signpost. This significant development portends a forthcoming insight that has the potential to fundamentally alter the field of artificial intelligence. To imagine GPT-5 is to gaze into a world of infinite potential, a world where the past and present are entwined, and the tendrils of technological innovation and human creativity are intertwined. GPT-5 is a tribute to the achievements of its forerunners and a shining example of AI brilliance, ready to usher in a new era. The change from GPT-3 to GPT-4, which produced an astounding 175 billion parameters, is a prime example of progress's unrelenting march. The cognitive capability of the human brain is tantalizingly close to the domain of trillions of parameters, where GPT-5 throws a shadow that reaches the horizon. The successes of GPT-4 in the area of accuracy have shown the limits of AI power. Barriers have been broken down by their ability to understand, create, and respond to natural language queries. GPT-5 shows itself to be a master, arranging responses that resound with human-like fluency and appearing to stand on the shoulders of its forerunners. The distinction between artificial intelligence-generated text and speech and human speech tempo are blurred in the symphony of reality. With GPT-5, versatility, a defining feature of the GPT series, once again takes center stage. The skill with which GPT-4 managed to juggle text, audio, visuals, and code paves the way for GPT-5 to pirouette into unknown waters. This new virtuoso engages in a coordinated ballet across social networking sites, search engines, and productivity programs like Microsoft Office, syncing with external platforms without a hitch. The scope of GPT-5 expands, going outside the walls of AI research labs to become a steadfast ally in all fields, whether in business, the arts, or human endeavors. There is a revolution happening right now that is changing the field of possibilities. However, the way time is passing across the tapestry lends a sense of intrigue to GPT-5's impending arrival. Think about the 4 months that passed between the introduction of GPT 3.5 in November 2022 and the triumphant debut of GPT-4 in March 2023. Should history's cadence continue, these tendencies of the past imply that by year's end, the scene may be prepared for the entry of GPT-5. The dynamic nature of AI, however, is comparable to a stormy symphony with unexpected crescendos that has the power to change even the most carefully crafted tales. Give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts with us, and subscribe to receive updates on the newest development to join us on this adventure. Your involvement energizes the conversation that directs the direction of AI. Let's ensure that the harmony between technology's promise and individual rights remains stable as we advance through this disruptive period. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye!